everyone, I just received my new solar panel and I'm excited to show you everything that's inside the box and tell you a little bit about it. So this solar panel is 5 watts and it actually works with 12 volts. So it is pretty powerful even though it's super small, and it's just really amazing camera. It comes with a total battery kit. This is great for a hunting accessory. If you want to connect a hunting camera, it will work perfectly. So it's completely waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it being outside. It will withstand any kind of weather. If it's really cold or if you're hunting in the summer, this is going to be exactly what you need. So let me just show you what's inside the box. So the first thing is just this quick user manual. It just tells you a little bit about the battery. It does have a built-in lithium-ion battery. It shows you the voltage output, everything that you need. It comes with a mounting tripod that's inside this box that I'll show you, just the dimensions, just a little bit about how the camera works. So it does come with this tripod. It shows you right here how to install it, and it's completely adjustable. So you could actually screw this into a tree. You could screw it into the side of your house, just into a fence, wherever you'd like, and to set up your camera and your solar panel. So it will actually charge for 30 hours. It gives you 30 hours of power just charged by the sun. So that is so long. It's gonna absorb that sunshine and just really keep the power going to your cameras. And you can see right here, there's a lot of these little solar panels. You see how big it is. It's nice and compact, a nice size, and it's just completely ready to go. So this is the other side, so you can mount the tripod on either spot right here. And in the bottom, it has the cord, the charger cord. So this is what you're going to connect to your camera, to your trail camera, or to really whatever you need to be charged. So it also comes with a few different other outlets. So these are going to work with any kind of camera you'd like. So you can really make sure that this panel will work with your device. It has all these different output outlets. So also on the bottom here is the USB and the power. So I'm just gonna open this up. So you can see there's the power button to turn it on and off. There's a USB, and there's just a charging port as well. So you can connect the camera and charge it manually if you need to. So all of that is covered by this rubber pad, and that will keep it nice and protected from any kind of elements. So you don't have to worry about the camera being outside, as I mentioned before. So here is the other thing in the box. This is the mounting hardware that comes with the camera. It has everything you need here to get it connected and set up. Here is that tripod that you can use as well. You can set this up to connect to the camera, and it is ready to go. So this part will just screw right into this bottom here, and then you're gonna put this onto your camera right on the back. So you can put it this side, and then you can just tighten this as much as you'd like. So if you wanna loosen it, and then it becomes adjustable, you can kind of aim it exactly where you want it, and then tighten it back up. Oops, sorry. Once you tighten it up, it'll stay in spot. So you can just put that right back on, tighten up your camera, and then it's ready to go. So this camera or solar panel is really easy to get connected, get set up with your trail camera, with your security camera, anything you need to have charged outside. So simple and easy, and everything is included in the box. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I would definitely recommend giving this solar panel a try. Thanks. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about how this solar panel works great with a trail cam, but it can also be used for any kind of device with the correct outlet. So it did come with all those different adapters. So I just wanted to show you, I do have the panel outside, and I have this Wi-Fi speaker, and you can see that the light is on, the speaker is on, and it's just charging with the cord from the solar cam. So it's completely portable. It makes a speaker, I can take it anywhere I'd like. And this works with a bunch of other devices as well. I have it set up to charge my laptop, again, the trail cam, just so many different options for charging. So it's super useful. Definitely check it out.